In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Sitelock in your Bluehost account. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring your website is secure and protected. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Bluehost account manager. It's quite simple. Open up your preferred web browser and type in bluehost.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the Login button at the top right corner. Just click on it. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your details. Carefully input your username and password, making sure everything is spelled correctly, and then hit Submit to access your account. Once you're in and see your account dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the Security section. You'll find a menu on the left-hand side. Keep an eye out for the option labeled Security. Give it a click, and this will direct you to the page where we can move on to managing your website's protection features. Now we're ready to add Sitelock Security. Take a look at the top right corner of the Security page where you'll find a drop-down menu labeled ADD Security. Click on it, and it will reveal a list of options. Your target here is Sitelock Security. Once you spot it, click that option, and you'll be presented with different Sitelock plans that cater to a variety of needs. Here's where you get to pick the plan that best suits your requirements. Take a moment to review each plan. If you're unsure, consider what level of security would be most beneficial to your site based on its size and sensitivity to potential threats. Once you've selected your plan, the next step is to confirm your payment method. Enter the billing details required, which should be straightforward if you've made online purchases before. Double-check that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with your purchase. After you've finished filling in your details, the final thing left to do is click the Buy Now button, completing your transaction. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Sitelock Security through Bluehost, and your website should now be equipped with enhanced protection. This process not only secures your website, but also ensures peace of mind, knowing that you're taking active steps to safeguard your data and your visitors' information. Remember, investing in security is an investment in your website's reputation and reliability. Thanks for following along with today's guide. If you have any questions or want to share your experience setting this up, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. See you next time.